It's about time you repurpose your content. This is what I mean. If you're uploading a video on TikTok, if you're uploading a video on Facebook, if you're uploading a video on Instagram, it's not supposed to be the same video. You can repurpose it. This is what I mean. On Instagram, you can make a very good quote. You can make a message. You can create some photos. On Facebook, you can put a video, put a very nice video over there. Then on TikTok, you can create a trailer, put it over there. People will still enjoy the quality of the video. And guys, this is an amazing thing. You can repurpose your content. You don't have to put a whole 10 minutes video everywhere and across all the social media, all the digital medias. You can create some purpose. You can repurpose all your videos. You can create small snippet, and this will create value. Thank you guys for watching, and this will help you, and I know it will help you. Please comment below, and guys, make sure to follow, share, and thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. See you there.